me one material. Cotton. Cotton. All right. So yeah. So your fabrics, right? Well done. What about you? The fan. Good. The fan is made out of what kind of material? Okay. So there's parts of metals. Yes, you are right. What else can you see? If you look at the mirror there, what material is that made out from? Glass. Yes. The fan is of wood. Okay. All right. We have wood. We have plastic. We have glass. We also have metal. What else? You guys are holding, what are you guys holding? You guys are holding paper. Paper and good. So paper is also a material. Mechanical pencil. Look at the tip of your pencil. Lead. Good. The other way? The other way around? What's that? Your right hand. What is your right hand holding? Eraser. Eraser is made of rubber. Good job. So we have rubber, we have wood, we have metal, we have glass, we have plastic. Are we missing out on anything? Ceramic. Okay, so ceramic is also a material. Okay, well done, guys. Yes. Okay, so let's see here. Mom, do you have a food container? I would like to pack some snacks to take to school for recess. How many of you bring snacks to school? You do? Yeah. What snacks do you bring to school? Seaweed. Seaweed. Oh, that's nice. You? I sometimes pack seaweed, peanut butter cracker. Okay, I should not have asked you guys. Now I feel like going to the shop and getting seaweeds and peanut butter cracker because I like both of them. I have a sweet tooth, meaning I like all the sweet stuff. Okay. Okay. So what did the mom reply? Maybe somewhere you can be the mom. Okay. Some containers in that cupboard. Yes, so you can find some containers in that cupboard. So she opened up the container. So Farizi, what did she see in the container? What did she see in the cupboard? Yes, can you read what she said? Wow, there's so many. Which one? Okay, so she said there's different types of food containers. So you can see the sizes. There's so many shape and sizes. Okay, so let's do the fill in the blanks here, okay? So let's see what they say here. There are many what's around you. If you look into your kitchen, you will find what made of different what. So there are many what, guys? There are many materials. Well done. Let's copy it down. Materials around you. If you look into your kitchen, you will find, what did she find here? What is this called? Good. What kind of containers is called a plastic container? You can see here the answer is here. Food container. Yeah, so they already gave us the answer here. So food containers. Made of different materials. Okay, while some are made up of what? Others are made up of what? Cardboard, glass, or what? So this one, I think Farizi told me one of it. Remember you told me the fan is made out of? Yes, so metal. There are parts of metal, yes, but it's mostly plastic. And then others are made out of this plastic bottle. So made out of plastic. And then we have cardboard, we have glass. And then we also have like that one I told you just now, it's made out of ceramic. Okay, so basically we are talking about the container that you guys use. Do you guys bring containers to school? Yeah. Plastic container? Yeah, both of them. I bring a lunch box and a snack box. Nice. Okay, Farizi as well, or do you buy food from the canteen? You buy food. Do you bring food from home? Your mom pack it inside a plastic or is it in a container? Container as well. Okay, so let's talk about containers. Okay, so containers made of different materials. So some are made of metal, some are made of plastic. Okay, different materials. Serve different function. Don't worry, you have a lot of time. Yes. Serve different function. So it is very important for you to choose what? Choose containers made of the right type of material for the food you wish to put inside. So you guys finish copying that I'm gonna ask you some questions. Parisi, your container, what is it made up of? Plastic. Samir, what is yours made up of? Plastic. Okay, why do you think that your parents don't put metal as your container? Too heavy. Too heavy, right? Very thin. Yeah, correct. So that's why they made it out of plastic. Yes, Samir. But school doesn't allow water bottles of metal. Yes, correct. Very heavy, and if it drops on someone's foot, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna really hurt. Okay, and then another thing that you guys can see from your plastic containers, right? Is your plastic container opaque, transparent? What is it? I give you an example. This is transparent. Is it transparent or is it opaque, meaning you cannot see the food inside? Is yours opaque, meaning cannot see the food inside? Yes. Yours, is it also opaque? Yeah. Correct. Okay. There are some containers that are like mine. I'll show you mine. It is transparent. Why? So that I can see the food inside. Okay. So I don't need to open to see what's inside. I don't have to open and I can already see what's inside it. Okay. So that's an example. Okay. Let's continue. Let's go to the next page. What are the different types of material around us? Okay, so the objects around us are all made up from different materials. Farizi, can you name me one material? I think you already said it just now. Anything, any material. It's the one that you said just now. Fan is made out of what type of material? Metal. Okay, so metal is a material. So the fan is an object. The material is metal. So metal. Now, Samir, your turn. Name me one. Foam. Foam, what material is it made up of? Rubber. Okay. Farizi, any other type of material that you know of? Your eraser is made up of? No. Good. And then your container is made up of? Your school container, yes, plastic. And then last but not least, like what Samir said, wool, right? Wool is your fabric. So we also have fabric. And then, yeah. Lead. Lead, yes, good job. And then the mirror, the one that we can see in our classroom right now, is made out of glass. And then I told you guys about ceramic. Every household have ceramic. And then last but not least, I think Samir said this about wood. Okay, so there's many, but these are some of the materials we use to make the things we need. Okay, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to look around you, okay, and tell me what material is made to use for what object. So I give you an example. My bottle is made up of plastic. Okay, then you can continue. My paper is made out of paper. Paper is made from trees. From wood, from trees, right? One's alive. Yes, it's one's alive. Okay, maybe tissue. What is it? Tissue is made up of? Good. And then Samir, your file is made up of? Plastic. Good. Both of you, your eraser is made out of? Rubber. Rubber. Both of you, the glass is, sorry, I told you to ask. The mirror is made out of? Glass. Thank you. Okay. And then the light is made out of? What do you think is going to happen? Metal. Yes, good. There's electricity inside. But the material, yes, the side, there's metal. But this one, if it falls, this one, right, if it falls, it's gonna break. Meaning it's made out of what type? What can break? Yes, glass. Okay, so some are made of glass, some are made of plastic. Yes, there's also lead, there's also material. Well done. Good job, guys. Okay, let's take a look at wood. What did they say here? We have wooden chair. We have paper. Paper is also made up from trees. That's once alive. And then we have the guitar. Guitar is also made up from wood. And then we have the baseball bat, which is also made from wood. So let's talk about wood. So wood comes from the trees in the field and forest. So when a tree is cut down, its trunk and branches are cut up to make a long flat plank of wood. We use wood to make paper. Good, well done. Yes, good job. Chairs, okay, your chair, your table, all these are called what? Your cupboard, your chair, your table, these are all called furniture. So to make furnitures, guitar, piano, all these are called what? Drum, guitar, piano, they are called musical instrument. Good job. Musical instrument. Maybe write it down in this order? Yeah, sure. Last but not least, we have our baseball bat. We have the hockey stick. So all these are sports equipment. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Okay, guys, so they're going to show you how papers are made, okay? Sorry? Continue. So now, right, before, maybe I think, let me see, 30 years ago, 30 years ago? No, I think 20 years ago. Okay, so do you think we have tablet last time, during your parents' time? Do you think they have tablets when they were younger? No, they don't have tablets. They cannot write, like now, right? I'm using this tablet, I'm writing on the tablet, am I right? Correct? However, last time we do not have tablet. So what do we use? We use papers. Okay, now in school, right, most of the secondary school students, they will use the tablet to write down answers. So they will have this room, it's like a computer room. They will all have iPads and then they will write down the answers. Okay, so isn't that good for the trees? Because we don't have to cut the trees, right? So that is what we call paperless. Okay, so let's continue writing. So the process of the paper. So just now I've already shown you the answer. The process, first, what is mashed up? What is this? What do you see here? What is being mashed up? Wood. Let's write it down. Okay, wood is being mashed up. And then what do they do next? What do they add? Just now you saw the person adding what? They add what to the wood? Water. So water is added. Okay, once the water is added, the mixture is then made into sheets and dried to become, finally you have your paper. Okay, well done. Okay, next up, let's talk about metal. Okay, so metal can be dug up from, so where do we find metal? Metal can be found from the cave. Good. So usually the mine, they will go in the cave and then they will go underground. So they get it from the ground. So metal can be dug up from the ground. Can you guys tell me an example of metal? Aluminium. Well done, aluminium. What else? What do you see here? What's that? Jewelry, which is made out from? Gold. Good. So we have gold, we have aluminium. What other metals do we have? We have steel. We also have copper. We have many types of metals. Okay. So yeah, good job. So gold. Good job. So gold, copper, and like what Samir said, aluminium. Yeah, are metals. We have zinc as well that can be found naturally in the ground. Okay, so all these are the one that's natural. We can find it directly from the ground. Okay, so this one is gold. Gold is used to make jewelry. Okay, not only gold, we also have irons. We also have copper. We have aluminium. Okay, so our gate and railings. So all the gates and railings is used by what kind of metal? The school gate is made out of what kind of metal? Nope. School gates. It rusts very easily. It's very rusty. It's made out of iron. Okay. So iron. So iron is made up. Is used to make your gates, your railings. How about your, like just now Farizi said, teacher have electricity. So the electricity, there is wires, right? What's inside our wire? Electricity, right? So it's made out of electrical wire. So this is made of copper. So the material that's being made is copper. And then we have your cooking pots. It's also made out of copper. Okay, so let's write it down. So we have iron here. This is copper. So Farizi and Summer, you can see. Oh, the iron is actually, the iron at first, right? They look like this. And then they made it such that you get very nice gates, very nice railings, and then you have your electrical wiring as well as your pots. So Samir and Farizi, if I cut this, right, what am I gonna see inside this one? You will see this inside. Yeah, the wire. This is how the wire looks like inside. Okay. And then last but not least, what is this made out of? Aluminium. Yeah, so now you know, oh, my plane, the plane that I took is made out of aluminium. Minimum aluminium. Okay, so your drink cans, your window frames, your aeroplanes, they are all made up of aluminium. Okay, what do you think the next one is about? Ceramic. Ceramic, yes, well done. Farizi, you managed to copy everything? Is there anything that you miss out? No. So ceramic. So let's write down. Ceramic is a material made from. So ceramic is made of what? What do you think this is? Yeah, what do you think this is? Clay. Bricks. Bricks. Okay, what do you say? Clay. Clay, yes. So both of you are right. So it's made up from clay. Okay, so clay can be found in soil, which you can get if you dig it underground. Okay, so ceramic can be used to make, what is this? What? Yeah, that's right. What about this one here, Parisi? Yes, your bowls, your plates. Okay, so we have bowls, we have plates here. What else do you guys see? Cups. What else do you guys see? What else do you guys see here? Toilet bowl. Toilet bowl. Okay, so toilets. Teeth. Teeth, yes. Okay, so man-made teeth. So man-made teeth meaning that it's not made from Allah. Okay, so this teeth meaning is made from humans. The teeth that you guys have, Farizi and Samir, the teeth that you guys have, that is from Allah, right? But the dentist can also make you guys teeth, so which we call man-made, meaning they are the one that made it. So it's fake. Have you guys seen it before? No. You guys have not seen it before, yeah? Okay, so usually your grandpa or grandma will use it in their mouth, and then they will take it out and then they will put inside a cup of water. Okay. Okay, if you see there's one more blank here. What is that blank? Great. Bricks. Yeah. So like what Farizi said just now. Good job, guys. Okay, we will pause here. You guys can have your break. Samir, can you show Farizi where the snacks are? Follow me. Okay, I open the door for you. Farizi, bring your water bottle. Only one.
My son gets fidgety and loses focus within 10 minutes of studying. Geniebook has this reward system each time my kids gets answers correctly. It's a form of motivation.
Monster Math presents multiplication. Okay, class, let's begin. What is 4 times 3? Click here to try it on Monster Math. Multiplication is the same as repeated addition. Here, we add 4 groups of 3 munchkins. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 4 times 3. 6, 9, 12. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Well done! Now try this one. What is 5 times 2? Know the answer? Enter it on Monster Math, where you can make your very own monster avatar and earn pets for the math problems you get right. And parents, a real teacher explains any problem your child misses, so they can learn all by themselves. If you enjoyed watching this quick lesson, click Play Now to try out some more math problems. Or let's do some more problems together here. Try this one. What is 3?
Okay, let's do the next one. Maybe we can do Kahoot later, okay? I think you did Kahoot in school before, right? No. You done it in school? Yeah, but it's been a long time. It's been a long time. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. You can see making a vase with clay, then baking ceramic in a hot oven, also called a kiln. So this is how they make the vase and the ceramic. Okay. So have you guys made a vase before? No. No. Have you guys seen people doing pottery? You did. Okay. Not yet. Okay. In the near future, you will definitely have a chance. Don't worry. So ceramic needs to be shaped. It then needs to be dry, and then we will dry it out. Or what we call here fire baked. So we bake it with fire in a hot oven. So we gotta shape it. Or fire baked. Alhamdulillah. Okay, and then what happened? What will start to harden? What starts to harden? Ceramic. Yeah. Okay, so the ceramic, no, ceramic will start to harden, yes. What will harden the ceramic? So he is correct, ceramic. But what will harden the ceramic? Fire? Yes, which is heating. So we heat it using fire. Why are we doing this? So that we can shape it. However, what is the bad thing about it? It can break easily. So that's why whenever you are holding a ceramic pot, you will see that it's always the adult holding it. Okay? Okay, next question. What do you think the next material is? Rubber. So let's write it down. Rubber. So rubber can come from, where do you think the rubber come from? You can see from here, this is where they get rubber from. In Malaysia, right, there's a lot of rubber tree. So you guys should look outside and see there's a lot of rubber tree. Okay, so can come from the, what is this called? We call the sap. S-A-P. So the sap of a rubber tree. How many of you seen rubber tree in Malaysia before? I haven't yet. Not yet, okay. So next time when you go to Malaysia, look outside, you will see a lot of rubber trees. Okay, it can also be made by men. So it can come directly from Allah, or it can be made from men. And how do men make it? Men use what to make rubber? If the answer is there. So they use what to make rubber? Farizi? How do we make rubber? You can look here. What do they do? Can you read what is written there? Good. So they use oil, which is collected from the ground. So oil from the ground. So there's two ways. Either we take it from the sap of the tree, or we can use oil from the ground to make rubber. Are you okay? Is your you good? Yeah. No worry. Okay. Farisi, what type of object is made using rubber? Rubber gloves. Good job. What else? Your bouncing ball is also rubber, and then you have your car tire. The car tires, the tire of the truck is also made of rubber. What else? Bicycle tires. We also have our rubber bands, and then we have our raincoats, and last but not least, we have our rain boots. These are all made up of rubber. Why do you think raincoats and rain boots are made of rubber? They are flexible and can shield us from water. Good, flexible and shield us from water, meaning it is waterproof. Okay, good job, guys. So these are all the examples that they gave us. Okay, now let's talk about what is this? Glass. How do they make glass? Do you see what did they use to make glass? Yeah. So do you find it weird? Yeah, the stand is made out of glass. Okay, I don't find it weird. Oh, when I play my coffee, I use sand to make glass. Oh, okay, that's good. I'm gonna show you something, but okay, so I'm gonna show you what happened. How is glass made from sand? But it's slightly okay, it's from a movie. I'll show you. Okay. What movie is it from? I don't remember. Sand. Wait. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, okay.
What happened?
We buried my dad and then lightning came out of nowhere. It's our fault. I shouldn't have done it.
Okay, do you hear what they say? It's lightning. The lightning came out of nowhere. The lightning hit the sand, and take a look at what happened. Yeah. This is not real, okay? I tell you first, okay? This is fake. Okay, so you guys can see that's actually glass. Can you see the glass? So this hardened part, I'm not sure why the color is like that, but it's glass. What happened? Lightning hit the sand, and when lightning hit the sand, that's when you get glass. I'll show you. Maybe Dr. Binox have Dr. Binox glass. I just want to show you a very short clip. I think Dr. Binox doesn't have it. How is glass made? I hope it's not long. I don't want to show you something that's very long. Okay. Okay, is this one? Wow, this is very long.
This is day 1 of my husband doing Tai Chi walking workout. This is day 21 of my husband doing Tai Chi.
Every day, more than
Okay.
In this case, carbonate is used to improve the strength of the glass.
So do you see what happened? Instead of
melt more
lining it
easily.
with
Calcium
fire.
carbonate is used to these
Okay,
components.
it's too long. Sorry, this is just too long. I don't want you guys to watch something that's too long. Sorry. Maybe you guys can go home and then watch how glass is being made. Okay. Okay. Maybe
In this video
one-
today, we are going to be turning sand into glass. We're going to take all of
One
these
minute.
ingredients and we're going to mix them all together. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take this sand that's already had most of the iron washed out. We're going to mix it up with some of this sodium carbonate and add a little bit of calcium nitrate and a bit of gypsum. We're going to crush it all into a very fine powder, mix the mixture together, throw it down in a crucible, and let the whole thing nuke for about 6 to 12 hours in our trash can foundry. Whoa, my goodness, that is hot. Hot stuff. Oh, that's cool. We noticed that the sand actually melted into glass within about half an hour. We stirred it up a little bit and we watched it and gave it about 6 more hours after that to melt down and hopefully let some of those bubbles release. Now, just for fun, we reached down into the crucible with a steel rod. We got a little bit of that glass out and tried rolling it into a ball and then flattening it out. The idea was maybe we could make some kind of an improvised piece of window. I'm not really sure that that's what we got, but we definitely got glass. And if you look at it, it's relatively transparent, a little bit of a greenish tinge, but all in all, it's really not too bad considering we just...
Okay, so glass is made up from sand. Okay, guys, that's it. Let's continue. So let's write it down. Glass is made from sand. And what did they do with it? You saw fire, right? So that means they what? They heat it up. So when sand is heated until it's very, very hot. And why do you think it's very, very hot? Because they want it to melt. Okay, once it melts, you can see it becoming glass. Okay, you can see that it becomes very clear. Okay, then what do they do next? The hot melted sand is then poured into molds to make it into different shapes. So when the melted sand cool down, it changes into clear glass. Yeah. I saw the day of the video and it was 29 January 2025. Oh, you noticed that? Okay, so it's like last year. Yeah. Okay. So an example of glass. Can you guys give me an example of glass? Anything that's made out of glass. Mirror. What else? Can look behind. Cup. Okay, good job. Window pane. Yes. Your glass tank is made out of glass. Yeah, bottle. The light bulb is made out of glass. Yes, glass bottle. We also have what's that? Binocular spectacles. Spectacle is also made out of glass. Okay, so there's many things that are made out of glass. Sorry, what did you say? Yeah. Yeah, and then the camera lens. The camera lens. This one, the camera lens, is also made out of glass. Okay. All right, and then so there's many things that's made out of glass, but if you look at the next thing that's in the paper, what's the next thing that's in the paper? After glass, what's come after glass? Plastic. Okay. So before we continue about glass, I want to do Kahoot with you. I think you need 2 of them. Sorry? I think I need 2 of them. Of what? Of the tablet. Of the tablet? 2 of the 2 tablets. No, I have the laptop here. It's fine. Okay. P3 material. Material. Okay, maybe we do this one here. The cube. And okay. Yeah. Okay, I want. Okay. Okay, I think we have how many more materials do we have? We have one again. One more. Yeah. No. Two more. Plastic and fabric. Once we're done with fabric, we stop there. Maybe I give you some questions to do. Okay, so let's talk about plastic, guys. What? Oh, I thought you wanted to answer. Oh, plastic. Okay, yeah. So plastic is made in. Where do you think plastic is made in? Made in? In where? In your room? In your kitchen? In the toilet? Where do you think plastic is made in? Factory? Yeah, it's made in factories. Okay, using what do you think they use? Plastic is plastic is made using what? Oil. Okay, so plastic is made using oil, same like rubber. So the man-made rubber is also uses oil that comes from under the ground. It comes from deep under the ground. So plastic is widely used to produce a variety of items. Like what do you see? What is it here? So all you have to do is just copy and paste. Okay, so copy all the items. Okay, bottle. Yes, maybe you just write bottle because they don't give you space to write the whole thing. Bottles, and then the rest you can just copy it down. Maybe you don't write plastic bag, just write bags. We know it's plastic. Yeah, and then the rest you just copy it down. Oh, lovely. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, so we are still talking about plastic. Okay, so plastic. Oh goodness, look at the photo here. It's very yucky. Plastic is usually long lasting. Long lasting, what does long lasting mean? It can last for a very long time. Okay, this mean, yeah, this mean it takes a long time to break them down, basically. If we do not recycle or reuse, remember the three R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. So meaning there'll be a lot of plastic waste. So that's why we recommend all of you to bring your own water bottle instead of taking the plastic cups here. Wait. That's very last we're okay, next. So last one, okay? Fabric. So fabric is what do you think fabric is? Wood. Remember, everything that we are learning today is all about what? Material. So fabric is a material that can come from where? From sheep. Yes, so these sheep and all these, they are called animals. Or they can also come from, do you guys know cotton plants? Cotton. Yes. Oh, sorry, no, you don't write cotton, you write plants, okay? My bad. So cotton plant is also called plants, okay? 17. You what? Oh, wait, I didn't okay. Okay, so guys, what comes from sheep? Wool? Yeah, so right now wool. So wool is used to make sweaters to keep us warm. And then what about the next one? Silk. Yeah, so silk is actually made from a kind of caterpillar. It's called a silkworm. Next up, there's yeah. So I told you guys what the last one is, right? What's the last one? Cotton. Cotton come from a plant. So some clothing that you are wearing, it comes from plants. Yeah. So these are the different types of material. Okay, one more time. Okay, what are the type of material we learn? We learn about fabric. One. Next up, what else do we learn? We learn about plastic. Two. Next one. The next thing we learn about is glass. Three. Next one. What is the next one? Rubber. Rubber. Four. Next one. Ceramic. Ceramic. Five. Next one. Metal. Metal. Six. Next one. Paper. This one. Wood. Paper is made from? Wood. So total how many materials did we learn? We learned about 7 materials. Okay, we're gonna repeat this 7 materials, okay? We're gonna do Samir Farizi, then Samir Farizi, Samir Farizi, okay? So 7 materials. Samir, what's the first one? Wood. Wood. Farizi? Anything. Glass, okay. Wood, glass. Samir, your turn. Rubber. Rubber. Ceramic. Ceramic. Wood, glass, rubber, ceramic. Fabric. Fabric. Wood, glass, rubber, ceramic, fabric. Done. Wood, glass, rubber, ceramic. Yes, plastic. Last one. Start letter M. Start letter M. Metal. Yeah, good job. Okay, now what I want you to do is go to the last page. There will be a blank page on the last page. Can you guys see a blank page? Yeah, the blank page. Okay, I want you guys to do this. I want you guys to use your ruler. I want you to draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I'll use the one that's more empty without the end. Last page. There's a blank page there, yes, guys. The one with an end or yeah. The one without? The one with what? The one with the end. Yeah, that one, that page. Yes. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want the line and I'm cutting into 7 parts. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to make 7 pieces. Okay. 7, 6, 7. Okay. So what do you think the first one is, guys? Wood. Okay, so write it down, wood. What do you think the second one is? Ceramic. Ceramic. What do you think the third one is? Third one, metal. Well, start at the R. What is it? Yes. Both of you can say it out, okay? What about G? Glass. Yes. P? Plastic. Well done. F? Thank you. M? Metal. Good. Great. I will give you all of them, but you will order. Okay, so now you guys can write down number 1. So number 1. So an example for wood will be your furniture. Next one, an example for ceramic will be your Yes, or bricks, or your man-made teeth. Okay. Rubber. An example for rubber would be gloves. Okay. Next one, an example for glass would be glass tank. How about window? Yep. And then an example for plastic would be your plastic bottle. And then an example for fabric would be your scarves. Yeah, that's also correct. So scarves. An example for metal would be gold. All jewelry is also made from metal, yes. Okay. I won't be the ring from Castle, okay. All right. So now I'm gonna write down a few things here, and then I want you guys to write down which one is it. Okay. I'm not gonna tell you which one. You guys are gonna do it yourself. Okay. So if example, if I say, okay, if I say spectacles, where would you put spectacles in? What material is spectacles made out of? Glass. So you straight away write down spectacle here. Okay, the next one, you guys don't have to tell me what it is. You guys can straight away write down yourself, okay? So I'm not gonna say it out loud. Don't say the answer as well. Write the answer. Okay. Okay, done? Okay, you do first. Go ahead. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it here, okay? Okay, Samir first. Paper. Where should I put paper? Wood. Okay, well done. Next one, toilet. Farizi, toilet will be? Your toilet is apa itu? Ceramics. Okay, gold. Samir, gold is? Good job. Next one, Farizi, your clothing is? Your clothes is made up from? Fabric. Yes, good job, fabric. Next up, we have spectacle. Spectacle is, I've already done spectacle, so we don't need these. Next up, we have toothbrush. Toothbrush will be rubber. Plastic. Plastic. Okay. So our toothbrush is made from plastic. Last one, our tire. Rubber. Yes, so tire will be rubber. So you guys do your own corrections, and then I will give you one. I will be one for each. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's continue. Write down number 3. Okay, I will start to write down, okay? Done? Yeah.